Good morning, children. Today we are move on to study the exercises in the lesson 1. Okay, take page number 168. Page number 168 in your term 2 textbook. Term 2 textbook. First one, match the following. Match the following. A. Tiger. Tiger, carnivore. B. Rodent. Rodent, gnose. Rodent, gnose. C. Frog. Catches food with its tongue. Catches food with its tongue. Sunbird drinks nectar. Sunbird drink nectar. Then wading bird. Wading bird, wide spreading toes. Wide spreading toes. Okay, next one, choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. First one, A. Animals are found on dash. Animals are found on land, water and in air. B. Polar bears are found in. Polar bears are found in Arctic regions. C. Human beings eat. Human beings eat both plants and animals. Then D. A dash swallow its prey all. A dash swallow its prey all. Answer, snake. E. Cut chewing animals have dash teeth. Cut chewing animals have dash teeth. Answer, sharp, broad, back teeth. Sharp, broad, back teeth. Then F. A snake can swallow a larger animal. A snake can swallow a larger animal because dash. Its upper and lower jaws are not joined. Its upper and lower jaws are not joined. Then next one, fill in the blanks. A. The dash is the largest land animal. Answer, African elephant. B. A hippopotamus is an dash animal. Herbivorous animal. Herbivorous animal. C. Dash is a rodent. Rat is a rodent. D. Dash is flesh-eating bird. Vulture. Vulture is flesh-eating bird. E. Storks have dash leg. Storks have dash legs and ducks have dash feet. Storks have long legs and ducks have webbed feet. Say true or false. First one, animals cannot live underground. Animals cannot live underground. False. B. A frog cannot live on land. A frog cannot live on land. False. C. A lizard can hold on to walls or the ceiling. True. Spiders traps insects in their web. True. A sunbird has long beak. True. Then give examples of each of the following. Give examples of each of the following. Okay, first one, an animal that has horns. An animal that has horns. Goat. Horns or animal. What is that? Goat, buffalo, cow, anything you can read. An animal that chews the cud. Cow. An animal that chews the cud. Cow. An animal that is omnivorous. Animal that is omnivorous. Bear. An animal that has gnawing teeth. Squirrel. An animal that clings onto walls or ceiling. Lizard. Next one, list out 5 carnivores and 5 herbivores. First one, carnivore. Carnivores, tiger, lion, leopard, cheetah and crocodile. Which are the carnivorous animals? Tiger, lion, leopard, cheetah, crocodile. Okay, 5 carnivorous animal. Next one, herbivores. 5 herbivores animal. Cow, goat, giraffe, zebra and rabbit. Cow, goat, giraffe, zebra and rabbit. Next one, answer the following. Answer the following. Okay children, please look at the notebook. I think you already finished the notes. So children, please check your answers in your notebook. First, let's answer the following. First question, what is adaptation? What is adaptation? Adaptation means to change oneself to suit one's living conditions to be able to live in those conditions. What is adaptation? Adaptation means to change oneself to suit one's living conditions to be able to live in these conditions. അതിന് അനുയോജിച്ച ചുറ്റുപാടുമായി അനുയോജിച്ച് പോകുന്ന രീതിയിലുള്ള ചേഞ്ചസ് അതിന് വരുന്നതിന് അതിന് ജീവിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന തരത്തിലുള്ള ചേഞ്ചസ് അതിൽ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നതിനെയാണ് അഡാപ്റ്റേഷൻ അഥവാ അനുകൂലനങ്ങൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, വാട്ട് ഡസ് എൻവയോൺമെന്റ് മീൻ? Environment means the condition in which an animal or a person live. Environment is the condition in which an animal or a person live. In what ways can animals be different from each other? Animals can differ from each other in shape, size, color, number of legs and eating habits. Animals can differ from each other in shape, size, color, number of legs and eating habits. Fourth one, how do a carnivore's teeth and claws help it? How do a carnivore's teeth and claws help it? Carnivore's teeth and claws help to tear the flesh. Carnivore'sന്റെ teethും clawsഉം അല്ലെ അതിന്റെ കൂർത്ത നഖങ്ങളും ഫ്ലഷ് മാംസം മുറിക്കുന്നതിന് സഹായിക്കുന്നു. Name few insects. Name few insects. First one, butterfly, mosquito, ant, bee, beetle. Okay. Next one, what does chewing the cud mean? Which animal do it? Some animals swallow their food without chewing it. Later, they bring back to their mouth from their stomach and chew it slowly. This is called chewing the cud. Some animals swallow their food without chewing it. Then later they bring back to their mouth from their stomach and chew it slowly. This is called chewing the cud. Cow, buffaloes and horses do it. Next one, how does a butterfly feed? Butterfly has a long tongue and sucks the nectar from flowers. Butterfly has a long tongue and it sucks the nectar from flowers. Eighth one, what kind of beaks do ducks and pelicans have? Answer, ducks and pelicans have broad bills to scoop up mud, water and fish. Ducks and pelicans have broad bills to scoop up mud, water and fish. So children, study this lesson well. Thank you and have a nice day.